How to disable animation on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can disable animation on Windows 11. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to navigate to the search icon from the bottom of your interface. Now in the search bar, you have to search for animation effects. Now once you get into animation effects on this interface, there is this option animation effects, and on next to that there is this toggle which is on here. Now to disable, all you have to do is simply turn off this toggle right here, and there you go, it's now disabled. So that's the way to disable animation effects, and the one benefit of this is that it's going to increase the performance level on your device. And that's how you disable animation effect. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.